Connection. We're about 30 meters up in a tree on the island of Palawan here in the Philippines. We're installing these Rainforest Connection Guardians, these listening devices up in these treetops where they can't be seen but they can hear everything in the forest all the time.
Palawan, we're saying that this is the last frontier in terms of forest resources. 70% of the land area of Palawan is covered with forest. And one of the threats really is still not only natural causes but also human factors. These are the illegal encroachment, illegal cutting, illegal logging.
We take old Huawei phones, we put them in here, they listen to all the sounds, they stream that up to the cloud, the Huawei cloud, where we're able to use AI to pick out the sounds of chainsaws, logging trucks, gunshots, motorcycles, anything that indicates a threat. And then we can send a live real-time alert to local partners here, partners that Huawei and Smart have built. Smart, the telecom system here in the Philippines, built a great partnership with DENR. So they can actually respond to these chainsaw alerts in real time and stop them.
Ito na rin ang magre-report sa amin kung nasan yung illegalista.
Ito ang problema namin ngayon sa Palawan. Marami ang napuputol ng mga kahoy gubat. Kahit na anong teknolohiya o estratehiya na maaari namin gamitin para sa pagpapatupad ng aming tungkulin, ay malugod namin na tatanggapin.
Yung activities ng DENR dito sa amin, maganda yung activities nila. Nandun yung preservation natin ng kalikasan natin. So yung pagdating ng technology na ito, maganda yung magiging effect niya dito sa Taytay. Malaki ang itutulong nito dito sa conservation ng natural resources natin, especially dito sa Palawan.
Ang inyong pagdating po rito at dinala niyo po ang inyong teknolohiya dito sa bayan ng Taytay, mga taga-Huawei, na siya pong makakatulong sa pagpoproteksyon po ng aming kapaligiran para sa susunod pa pong mga henerasyon.
These projects is a need for the people of El Nido. El Nido is tourism destination, kaya malaking tulong ang device na ito na ilalagay dito.
Proteksyon po natin yung ating kagubatan para marami pa po mga tourist na darating dito at makita nila na napakaganda ng Palawan.
When you hear of Palawan, pupunta ka dito because of the destination, and one of the reason is the good environment. Pag hindi natin inagaan yung ating environment, lahat tayo magsasuffer.